In this video, we'll look into string manipulations. Let us have some data like 1 ABC, 2 and 3 DEF, 4, 5 GHI, 6. So there are numbers here preceding and there are numbers at the end. In this string, we want to remove these numbers. First of all, let us remove the numbers at the right, that is 2, 4, 6, and see how we can do it. So go to the developer tab, Visual Basic, insert module. I'll create a routine, subroutine. Here we have to remove that. So for r is equal to 1, 2, 3, there are 3 rows there. For r is equal to 1, 2, 3, I'm looping through next r and cells of r comma 1. Row index is r because there are 3 rows. Row r will be changing and column will be the first column. So 1 dot value is equal to, we have to remove the rightmost part. So here we have to remove this rightmost part. We have to get the leftmost part. On the left side we have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. For everything is the same. There are 4 characters before the rightmost character. So we have to use the left function. So the string is the cells of r comma 1 dot value, and the length is, just now we are seeing there are 4 characters before the rightmost character. So we want those 4 characters. So now let us execute this. Run. So if I go to the spreadsheet and see, the rightmost character has been removed. Here there are some 2, 4 and 6 here which has been removed. Now we remove the leftmost character from this character set. So here let me comment this part of the code so that this won't work. And for removing the leftmost part, the same thing, cells of r comma 1 dot value is equal to, we have to get the right part of it, right of cells r comma 1 dot value, and we need, on the right side there are 3 characters, so we get the right 3 characters and we are writing it to the same cell. So if you go there, the right 3 characters is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. What we are extracting here. Now let us run this. Go here. So we got A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Leftmost character has been removed. So this is how we can remove the rightmost character or leftmost character using the left and right functions. Now let us reverse these strings. So here instead of ABC we'll show it as CBA, instead of DEF should be FED, and instead of GHI it should be IHG. So let us comment this part of the code also, and to reverse the string in the same cell, we are going to write the value. So cells of r comma 1 dot value is equal to, it should be VBA dot, there is str reverse function, str reverse function of cells r comma 1 dot value. So we are reversing whatever value is there in cells r comma 1 dot value. So r keeps changing from 1 to 3, and then writing it to the same cell, cells r comma 1 dot value. Now let us run this. Now go to the spreadsheet. It has been reversed, CBA FED IHG. So this is how we can reverse a string. Now we look into how to extract part of a string. So let us enter space span gym space web Steve space will have wow. So here we have to get only the last names. That means the pan, web, and then wow. So after the space, whatever this part is, that is the last name. So we have to get the last name. So extract only part of the strings. So first of all, we have to find out the space, where this space is, and then from the next letter from space, we have to extract that part of the string. So from the whole string, we subtract the position where the space is there, we can get the rest of the string. Let us see how we can do this. So in the developer tab, we are going to the Visual Basic. So here we'll just comment this part also. So we have, for r is equal to 1 to 3, we are going to first of all declare to dim L as integer, dim S as integer. L gives us the whole length of the string, and S will give us the position of the space. Now L is equal to length of the string, len of whole string is cells of r comma 1 dot value, that is the length of the string, length of whatever is there, and S is equal, we have to find the position of the space. instr will give us the position. So by default we are starting from the first position, so there is no need to give the start, and string 1 is whatever string we have to search, cells of r comma 1 dot value, and we have to search for space. For space, the character is chr of 32. That will give us the position of the space. Now we have to get the extract the string. Mid will help us in extracting the part of the string. So the string is cells of r comma 1 dot value, and we are starting from the next character of space. The position of the space is s. We already got that. So we start from s plus 1, and the length, how many characters we have to extract. So from the whole length of the string, we are going to remove up till the position of the space, that is s. So whatever number of characters, after that we will get those characters, and this one we will write it in the same cell. Cells of r comma 1 dot value is equal to mid of this. So just to remember this, so I'll just copy this part and I'll paste it here, so that once we write the last names here, we can compare it with this. So now let us run this code. So let's go back. So it has written pan, so we got the last name pan. After the space, we have removed this pan from here, and after the space the web is there, and that web here, and after the space there is walk, we have written walk here. So from the basically what we have done is, from the whole length of the string, we have removed the part up to the space. So for that we have found out the position of the space, and from the length of the string we have removed that number of characters up till the space, and extracted that string and have returned it to the same thread. So that's what we have done here. Length of the string, and this is the position of the space, and we extracted from the point starting from s plus 1, that is the letter next to the space, and then we have got the whatever number of characters, giving the l minus n, and return it to the same set. That's how we can extract a part of a string in VBA. Please subscribe, share and comment.